फातिमा चले क्या? हाँ आप लेके जाएंगे गाड़ी? आप लेके जा रहे हैं? गाड़ी कौन लेके जाएगा?
ये
हाँ आप नहीं लेके चल रहे? आप नहीं लेके चल रहे गाड़ी?
नहीं
चलो सही है।
गाड़ी वो वाले अंकल
अच्छा सही है। दूसरा ड्राइवर हाँ ये डिलीट कर। मम्मी आप फ्रेम में आ रही हैं।
ये देख
आप क्या काम है इधर?
ये देख
फिलहाल अभी हम कहाँ पे हैं? टोल प्लाजा है ना? हाँ ये टोल प्लाजा। दिस इज द फर्स्ट चेक पॉइंट। फर्स्ट चेक पॉइंट है ऑन आवर वे टू लाड़काना। हाँ trying to look for my shirt. मेरी बात तो मेरी शर्ट मेरी जो नहीं मिल रही है apparently. Now we want to change. Bilal is going to apparently follow me inside of the car. जाके बैठो गाड़ी में. क्यों ना? So apparently we're here at Nooriabad, if that's what it's called. Surprisingly, there's better audio in it because बाहर आवाज़ ज़्यादा चल रही है. But yeah, we're going to move on to like some other toll plaza. But like before that, we need to have food. अच्छा पानी पीने का कहाँ है?
पीने का
हाँ.
बोतल है।
अच्छा डिग्गी में नहीं पड़ा हुआ? मैं ले लेता हूँ जाके. I'm going to introduce you guys to my brother. This is Bilal, the other Tunio in our family. Like the other Tunio sibling. It's just that he's not as cool as me, obviously. But he has a photography page though. I don't know. उसका नाम पता नहीं क्या है.
फातिमा
This Fatma.
फातिमा
Fatma. पापा दरवाजा बंद होगा आपसे? पापा कहाँ गई थी आप?
वॉशरूम करने गई।
Really? Fatma apparently had to pee. That's weird. We're going to stop at Nooriabad. नहीं, we're going to stop at the farms area to take some nice pictures though. Fatma क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं।
Fatma ने खाना खाया? अभी हमें
पापा
क्या?
पापा पापा पापा
क्यों पॉप अप कर रही हो?
हाँ। मैं आवाज़ें निकाल
नहीं, apparently आवाज़ें निकालने का ही शौक है। फातिमा को दे रही हो? सही है। I think that's enough footage for today. यार इसका एक मिनट रुको. To play something. So apparently Bilal's not here. He's gone with Fatma to get food. Apparently it's not always that I like music, but like yes, there's really no one here. I would probably go sleep right now. I'd go sleep right now, but like I'm kind of hungry right now. I can't really sleep before I have food. So, yeah. So we're in a low budget superstore on the outskirts of Karachi. It's called Nooriabad. I don't know what Nooriabad was before today. I don't understand why Bilal is like this, but like he's apparently my brother. Bilal, this is not for guys. This
I like it.
definitely isn't for guys. I'm not sure about his sexuality though. Bilal,
Shall
are
we
you
try
sure
this?
about your sexuality?
Shall we try this?
I'm
on?
pretty sure about your sexuality now.
You can try this.
Hey, can we just get food and leave? भैया तुम shampoos क्यों ले रहे हो? Fatma trying to be an adult and like sitting with the driver. Got these unhygienic, but like this the only real food available around this petrol pump station thingy. I don't know. But yeah, I think we'll have to like make do with whatever we have. Travel essentials. Travel essentials. Travel essentials. ये किसने लिया? We're at the second tool plaza. My sister and my mom and my sibling.
Show them my wallpaper.
He took this picture himself. He has a photography page though if you guys want to follow it. It's called Conspicuous Frames. I'll put the link down in the description. You guys should go check out some of the cool photos that he has. He definitely has some talent with photography. Anyways, back to the vlog. We are at the second tool plaza. Alright, promotion apparently. Focus नहीं हो रहा है ब्राज पे. I'll put the link. Oh, someone texted you. Zong and other service providers are the only people that text Bilal, to be honest.
That's not true.
It's true.
That's not
It's true. It's true. They know it. They know it, and everyone here in this car knows it. That is. I'm still not sure if you're allowed to vlog certain things because abhi in the supermarket I was vlogging. The video I made of Bilal picking up shampoos from that particular shelf on that supermarket. We were told to stop recording videos or taking pictures, as they called it. I don't think people here in Karachi like other people when they like vlog and stuff and take pictures of themselves or like do that kind of stuff. I was only trying to like embarrass Bilal on the vlog because that's my job.
Hi.
बाल खराब कर दिए मेरे सारे. अच्छा तुम भी vlog करोगे अब? हाँ तो सेल्फी ले लो. पापा अब सोई क्यों नहीं अभी तक? क्या? पापा कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो? आपकी वो कहाँ है? डॉल्स वगैरह कहाँ है? डॉल्स दिलाई बचा. क्यों? क्यों? पापा मुझे उर्दू समझ में आ जाती है, इंग्लिश आ जाती है, ये जो लैंग्वेज आप बोल रही हो समझ में नहीं आती. अच्छा की कोई बात इसके अंदर सिंधी नहीं है बात में, सिंधी भी आती है समझ में. बिलाल कैसे हो? पता क्या
अब काटी कर लो तो साली की नोज पे काटी कर लो. काटी कर लो नोज पे काटी कर लो.
करके दिखाओ.
अब काटी कर लो तो साली की नोज पे काटी कर लो. काटी कर लो नोज पे काटी कर लो.
करके दिखाओ. I'm running low on battery. Travel essentials. I don't exactly know the name of this area, but what I do know is that we're around 96 to 100 kilometers from Ladkana. What are you vlogging? What exactly are you? किसका चैनल है ये? राइस फील्ड का चैनल है, लाड़काना का मेरा चैनल है. मुझ I have a weird brother. I've come to that conclusion. ये फिर तुम
and a professional photographer and a professional photographer.
I'm done with you. मुझे मैं नहीं खेल रहा. This is not fair. Also, we're going to take some.
Let me show you
Bilal,
these.
Well, can you not? Can you not?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Anyways, we're going to take pictures here. I'm going to take a decent picture of Bilal's for his Instagram account, obviously, because I'm a better photographer. We all know that. I mean, it's pretty normal for that. But like, also, we're going to go have chai at this dhaba place right here. No, I didn't ask you to take the camera there. I was pointing in that direction. Doesn't mean you take the camera in that. Are you even listening to me? Done with you. Done. Yeah, cut it. Can you cut it? Can you stop vlogging? Okay.
Okay, so let's just focus on
this. Is mom's chai. I have the one with sugar. This does not have sugar. I did not ask you to vlog me.
Look at this highway.
अच्छा मैं अम्मी से बात करता हूँ ना. तुम चाय पीने आके लाऊँ आपके लिए चाय. I feel like a worker.
Solid the chai वाला.
मैं किसी आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ. वो मुझे मिली नहीं अभी तक. अंकल के पास है. Can you stop vlogging? Stop vlogging for fuck's sake. यार जाके उसको बोलो ब्रो मेरी चाय कहाँ है यार. अम्मी के लाके दे दी, अंकल की दे दी.
मैं जाके बोलूँ ब्रो.
हाँ ब्रो नहीं बोलो लेकिन. Do you want to interview this guy?
This kid is staring at Soleh for like the past 5 minutes.
नालो चाय तुझो. कहाँ तो जो है? हाँ? कोसा है. भूख लगी चाय. भूख लगी थी तो क्या? चाय पीन दो. ना.
तुंजी तो कहाँ है? तुंजिया.
तो का तुझो है? यहाँ पी जो है. ठीक है, he's not very interested. He's not very interested.
Look at that guy in the background, you know.
Okay, let's cut that part out of that. यार मेरी चाय कहाँ है? अदा.
Who wants balle balle?
Our chai is here. Not the guy. Our chai is here.
I also have some fudge egg shampoo. Like, DM me for this. I'll just buy some for you. Or just random Tara. Okay, that's getting cheap. Let's just move. And this elder Tunio. Hey Tunio.
You're a Tunio too. You know that, right? Can we take this inside? गाड़ी में चल के पी लेते हैं, सही? Bilal, can you cut the vlog?
Okay.
We're having chai out here. There's a kid crying in the background, I don't know. But we're having chai here. Mom's having chai in the car. I don't know where the driver is. Oh, there he is. He's having chai with us. Right.
Show people my muscles.
He's been going to the gym.
Check that out.
बैल कितना लिफ्ट करते हो तुम? लिफ्टिंग तो तुम खैर बहुत करते हो.
85 kg सिर्फ इस हाथ पे.
Okay. We're at Ladkana. Finally. Are you happy?
Tired.
Tired? Tired of sitting in the car for 5 straight hours?
6.
6, precisely. Good food after a long time. After 6 hours actually. Apparently it's 11 o'clock. I'm here at Ladkana. We're going to stay here for like 2 to 3 days. And while that happens, I'm going to be vlogging. I'm not sure if I'll be able to upload the vlogs because obviously they have bad internet here. I think I should lock the car. Alright. So yeah, that's what's happening. Bad lighting, but yeah, I might not be able to post a day 1, day 2 Ladkana vlog because I can't. Bad internet. I'll be able to upload them once I get back to Karachi. Right now I'm here buying food for Fatima. Bilal and Fatima have gone out to the supermarket. They have a supermarket here. They're going to get food from the snacks or something and watch a movie later on tonight. But while that happens, I'm going to vlog and stuff, compile it, edit it, but I won't be able to post it. So yeah, that's that. I think this is a car. Can we get him to move the car? Alright, yeah, that's that.